Yeah, hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Thompson, and in this video I want to review a new project that is about to launch on the 16th of August 2022. Okay, now the name of the project is called Avax Knight Rider. Okay, Avx Night Rider is actually a fork of Dino BUSD, and you and I know that Dino BUSD did well in the market. Okay, and after Dino BUSD, a whole lot of fork actually came up, and now we are having a new fork under the chain of Avalanche. Okay, so Avx Night Rider will be coming up under the Avalanche network, and the project promises to pay 16% ROI. Now, you shouldn't just go ahead and invest your money. I believe you want to know, is this project worth you investing your money or not? So in this review, I'll be talking about the auditing, I'll be talking about the team behind this project, and also I'll be talking about every other thing that you need to know about this project in order for you to make a decisive decision whether to invest in this project or not. Okay, now if this sounds like something that is quite interesting to you, I want you to stick with me on this video from the beginning to the end, okay, so that you get to make your decisions. Okay, and also I'll be dropping a link to this particular project right below this video. And also, if this is your first time watching my videos, I want you to please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Okay, now let's get to my system. Let me show you the step by step and talk to you about this project. Okay, let's go.
Okay, so guys, like I rightly told you from the intro of this video, this is the interface of Knight Rider project, Avx Knight Rider project. Okay, now you can see that the project will be launching on the 16th of August 2002, 5 p.m. UTC. Okay, so the project actually pays 16% ROI. Okay, you can see it here. So all you just need to do as soon as you come in here is to connect your wallets. Okay, you connect your MetaMask wallet, okay, to the project, and from there you'll be able to navigate. But presently, as it is, because the project is not live yet, even if I connect my MetaMask, I will not be able to perform any meaningful function on the website right now. Okay, so like I rightly said, if you love Dino BUSD, then you're just going to love this program, because this program is a fork of Dino BUSD. Okay, it's also you remember after Dino BUSD came out, this is Dino BUSD, one of the greatest projects in the DApp ecosystem. Okay, Dino BUSD came out. We also had Dano BUSD. We also had FOMO Miner. All these are fork of Dino BUSD. This is the original project. Okay. Now Avx Knight Rider has also come out. Okay. But the difference between this Avx and Diamond BUSD, FOMO Miner, and all that is because Avx Knight Rider is on the Avalanche network. Okay, so definitely all you'll be doing here is with the Avx coin, right? So you can see this is Avx coin you'll be using here. But aside that, every other thing, the interface, okay, the running and everything is almost the same thing with Dino BUSD. But one thing I believe is that I want to believe that this Knight Rider, this Avx Knight Rider will be paying like a royalty to Dino BUSD, because Dino BUSD is the mother of this particular project. Okay, so when you connect your MetaMask, okay, you're going to see the contract balance over here. Okay, remember it will be launching on the 16th of August 2022, 5 p.m. UTC time. Okay, now you're expected to get 16% return investment on this particular project. Okay, the withdrawal fee is 8%, the deposit fee is 8%. Now if you compare this to the original project, is a bit higher, just with 4%, okay, because this one is 8.8, while Dino is 4.22, right? So this altogether you'll be spending a fee of about 16%, right? Which I still believe is a bit fair. Okay, now you should be concerned about one thing you should be concerned about any project you want to put in your hard-earned money into is the audit of the project. Okay, the audit and the community behind the project. Okay, so in this particular case, now what you do is this: I'm going to be dropping a link to this Avx Knight Rider below this video. So you click on that link, then you come down here to the extreme of the link, then you click on the audit. Okay, now when you click on this audit, it's going to bring you to this particular interface. Now the project Avx Knight Rider is being audited by Encrypto security. Now, Encrypto Security is one of the trusted auditing security firm when it comes to auditing of miners and DApp in general. They've audited projects that actually went well, that their verdicts went well with, and the project actually did well in the market, okay? So I want you to come here. Don't just go and start investing. I want you to actually come here and read this auditing by yourself. But I'm going to summarize the outcome of the audits, okay, of what Encrypto Security actually found out about Avx Knight Rider here, okay? They say by checking and manually testing all buttons, functionality, and other features of Avx Knight Rider websites, the Encrypto team for front-end web design found no malicious blank content from it, okay? So they are telling us that after they must have checked the front end of Avx Knight Rider and also check the contract, they discovered that there's no malicious content and no backdoor. You can see, you can read about the smart contract here. They say as per issue for the auditing review, investors can only withdraw half of his capital, okay? So I'm going to go into all that. I'm going to show you all that later in the project proper, okay? So you can come here, you can read about all this. But basically what they are saying is this: if you look at this critical, they say no critical issue found, okay? So they are telling you that for this particular auditing, there's no critical issue found about the contract of Avx Knight Rider, right? So you come down here. When you come into the website proper, you're going to see your wallet balance here. You're going to see the amount of Avx you've invested here. Now, the minimum Avx you can actually invest in this particular project is 4 Avx, right? It's 4 Avx, and the maximum is about 4,000 Avx that you can actually invest on this particular project, right? So you put your investment, you're going to see your investment here. Now remember, you're going to be taking, just like Diamond BUSD and Dino BUSD, the profit you'll be getting is 5 times your deposit, okay? So as soon as you get 5 times of your deposit, I think you are done with the project. You can now decide to reinvest whatever you want to reinvest into the project, okay? So you're going to see your profit here, okay? So you say you're going to take 5 times of your profit here. You're going to see the remaining amount of that 5 times of profit that you are going to take down here, okay? Then you are going to be seeing your daily return on investment here, okay? So we are going to go with, let's assume you are investing 10 Avx into this project, okay? Let's assume you're investing 10 Avx. If you put in 10 Avx into this project daily, you are expected to be getting 1.6 Avx. Every day you'll be getting 1.6 Avx. Weekly you'll be getting 11.2 Avx, right? And monthly you're expected to get 48 Avx. That's a whole lot of interest you'll be getting in this particular project, right? I want to believe that this project is going to do well, like Dino BUSD. I just want to believe that it's going to do well like Dino BUSD. Then when you come down here, you're going to claim your interests every 24 hours, please. Every 24 hours, you have to come up here. And when you click on this, assuming you put in 10 Avx, when you click on this particular button, you're going to be getting 1.6 Avx, okay? Down here, you're going to see your 1.6 Avx here, okay? So the way this thing actually works is this: you are going to be claiming that 1.6 Avx every 24 hours for 6 days. Okay, when you claim it for 6 days, then on the 7th day, you will now be able to withdraw 50% of that, let's say 11.2, okay? This 11.2%, this 11.2 Avx that you're going to have here, you're going to withdraw 50% of it, as you can see here, 50% available withdrawable. So you are not permitted to withdraw 100% of your accrued interest, because this strategy is to make sure that the system actually lasts longer, okay? So that some persons don't become victim of whales, right? Because if they allow 100% withdrawal, whales can just put in a whole lot of money and withdraw at once, and others will become subject to pity, right? To avoid that, that's why they say we should withdraw just 50% of your deposit, right? So you have to withdraw for that weekly, let's assume you put 10 Avx, you have to withdraw 11.2 every week. But because you have to take 50%, you'll be taking just half of that, which is about 5.5, right? You'll be taking about 5.5 Avx every week from here. And even at that, it's still very huge, because the remaining 5.5 will be carried over for you to the upper week, okay? That will now make your interest to be greater than this present week, and you can still take half 50% of that in the upper week. I think for me, it's still okay. So what you should be concerned about, secondly, is the community behind this project. If the community is good, everybody support each other, I believe this project is going to last long, right? So when you come down here, you're going to see the total amount of Avx that you've withdrawn so far from this project, okay? Now, there are other ways you can actually make money from this project, which is through the referral. But before we go to the referral, we want to see the community, want to see who is behind this particular project. Is the community strong or not, okay? So what you just need to do is this: you come down here to the Telegram, you click on the Telegram, and it's going to bring you down here to the Telegram group of the project, okay? Let's go to the Telegram group of the project and see what they actually have. Presently, as you can see, they have about 519 persons in this particular project, okay? 519 for me, as I would say, the project is it's not that strong. Like, the community is a new project, so the community is actually coming up. For them to have 519, I think it's still fairly okay, right? But it's not as strong compared to Dino BUSD, Dino Liski, okay, and Diamond BUSD. Even Diamond BUSD actually started very small and they grew their community. So I want to believe that Avx Knight Rider is also going to grow their community. But presently, as it is, they have 519 members, okay, in their community. So I want to believe that as soon as the project launches, more people are going to come in and they're going to grow their community, right? But for this community, it's fairly okay. If I'm going to be sincere with you, it's fairly okay, because I've seen some projects that start with just 10, 15, 20 community members, okay? So for them starting with 519 community members, I think it's a bit fair, okay? So that is one other thing that you should be concerned with. Like I rightly told you, you can also make money from this project through their referral program, okay? Now, you have 10% to take if you bring in anybody into this project. If anybody sign into this project through your referral link, you'll be getting 10% of whatsoever the person will be investing with, okay? So you can see, you come down here, you read about the strategy. In order to keep the mining pool always healthy, 3 times per month deposit again the amount you earn. 1 time per month withdrawn and keep them in your wallet. Wow, that's another good one. So they have their own strategy in place to help you grow and to help the whole community make money from this thing. Because the problem most of those projects actually have is, as soon as it starts, when people come in, some persons will just want to take out their whole profits, okay? And by the time they take out their whole profit from the project begins to suffer. Because the truth of the matter is this: these projects are sustained by their TVL. By the time there's no money in the TVL any longer, nobody will be able to withdraw money from this project, okay? So the more they put in strategies to keep the project running, the better it will be for everybody that is a member of the project, okay? Now, as soon as the project starts, you can come down here and click on the contracts. They'll be able to view their contract, okay? But presently, because the project have not launched, there's nothing much to see in the contract that you can rightly see here. There's nothing much to see in the contract because the project have not started yet, okay? But as soon as it starts and people start putting in money, you will be able to see a whole lot, okay, down there, right? So I want to believe that this project, if everything goes well as planned here, okay, coupled with the security audits that we have of the project from Encrypto, the Encrypto team want to give this project a thumbs up. But remember, I am not your financial advisor, please, okay? I'm just airing my own view and opinion about Avx Knight Rider. I'm just airing my own opinion based on what I've seen on ground, based on the security reports, auditing reports of Encrypto, based on the community, and based on the website interface, okay? Because when you look at this website, you can see that they put in time into building this website, into making it fair, not like a quick fix kind of website, okay? So I want to believe with this that the project is going to do it. I myself, I'll be coming in with some Avx to actually join this program. Okay, so if you got value from this video, I want you to please like this video. Okay, I want you to subscribe to my channel. Please do go ahead and subscribe, because I actually make reviews and give opinion, okay, give detailed opinion about projects, and I believe that my opinion and review will actually help you make a defined or refined decision on which projects to join or not. Okay, so I look forward to you giving this video a thumbs up. Please go ahead, give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel. I want to believe you got value from this video. Thank you, and take care of yourself. Bye bye.